Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to download and install Arduino software on Windows 10. Okay, for this, let's go to the browser and type on the search bar of your browser download Arduino for Windows 10. Okay, the first option the browser shows. Click on that and it opens like this. Okay, Arduino IDE, and there are two options: Arduino IDE 1.13 and beta builds. So we download only Arduino. Okay, there is Windows option, and there are many options: just download or contribute download. So click on just download for free. It takes 2 seconds, and what it does is it takes you to the software provider, and it opens Microsoft Store. It says it is connected to Microsoft App Store. Okay, and Microsoft App Store opens like this. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, Microsoft App Store has been opened, so there is a install option. Okay, if you click on there, it says it's starting download. That's simple. It takes few seconds to start download. Actually, it shows the size and downloading rate, KB per second. If you go to this arrow button, download arrow button, and it shows all the information you need to know about the size of software and downloading rate. Okay, the actual size of the software is 203.9 MB megabyte. It means it takes time to download completely. We need to forward the video here. Okay, let's forward the video. So I want to show you all the steps of the video, so I just speed up the video. Let's wait until it downloads completely. Okay, download has been complete. Okay, this product is installed. Installation and downloading is done at the same time. So application software product is installed. So now time to launch the software. Okay, Arduino software opens like this. Okay, this is the software, and you need to change the port number and serial number. So Arduino UNO, in my case, port number is COM5. Okay, and you can make any project your interest using Arduino. Thanks for watching.